This is Wheelock, Chapter 5, Sententiae Antiquae. 1. Invidiam populi Romani, cras non sustenebis. That looks like a verb to me. It's at the end. Makes sense. Sustenebis with the S ending. That's second person singular for sure. Bi, that's future. You will sustain. You will not sustain. Tomorrow you will not sustain. Give me a do here. Am, accusative singular. Direct object. And then populi Romani can't be nominative plural because that won't fit with the number of the verb. Verb singular, subject cannot be plural. Therefore, this is going to be genitive singular of the Roman people. Tomorrow you will not uphold or resist the hatred of the Roman people. Per columnae igitur heri remanabit. Remanebat. Sorry about that. Here's your verb. All right, we got BA, we got T, so it's imperfect. Third singular. Nice. It was remaining. Okay, let's check for a singular subject. Periculum. Now this NE is called an enclitic. An enclitic. It's a suffix. That's really just another word for suffix. And it goes on the end of a word. There's no space there, though there could be. And it is a question asker. When you see that, you know there's a question coming. And you'll also see a question mark. But that's our modern punctuation. The Romans would just have the NE there. Without that, periculum, well, it could be accusative, but in this case, I'm going to say nominative singular. So that's your subject there. Well, that makes sense. Was the danger remaining therefore yesterday? Yeah, that'll be good. If this were the direct object, was he remaining the danger? Doesn't make sense. Angustus animus pecuniam amat. Verb at the end. Third singular pres. Do we have a singular verb with a singular subject? Yes, we do. A stingy spirit loves money. Am, direct object, accusative singular. Supera animos et iram tuam. Supera. Now I know this is a verb. Supera, imperative. This is a command. Overcome your courage and your anger. So this animos, in the plural, it means courage. It is a plural abstract noun. Singular accusative here. These are both direct objects. Oops. Well, not that so much as the iram. Culpa est mea, o amici. S. Now this is basically an equal sign, right? The blame is mine, O friends. This modifies its subject in case, number, and gender because it's the predicate of the sentence, and this is the subject of the sentence. And this little aside is evocative. He's addressing his friends. Same as the nominative. Da veniam filio et filiabus nostris. Another imperative here. Da, second person singular. Grant forgiveness, direct object there. And now, indirect objects here and here. Nice. Don't see that too often. Indirect objects. Grant forgiveness to our son and daughters. Propter adulus. Oops. Let me get that up there. That whole thing was, silly. Here it is. Da veniam filio et filiabus nostris. Grant forgiveness to my son and our daughters. All right, sorry that was out of the picture there. Propter adolescentiam filii mei, mala vitae non videbatis. Prepositional phrase, chunk that out. Here's a little comma, bracketed thing, that's going to be vocative. My sons, mala vitae non, not. Verb here, assuming. You were not seeing. Okay, let's do this bit. Because of your youth, my sons, you were not seeing the evils of life. The mala, that's accusative, plural, neuter. Yeah, and this is genitive, singular. Funny little expression here, amabote. This basically means please. Literally, it means I will love you, which is a wonderful way of saying please. Kura, this is the imperative. Command coming up here. Take care of filiam meam, my daughter. I will love you. Funny expression. Please. You see that in a lot of letters. Okay, here's the next one. Vita humana est supplicam. Again, this is just an equal sign. Human life equals punishment. No, rats. That's no good. You can see nominative, nominative. Satisne sanus es. Here's our verb. This is the irregular verb to be. Summas est, summus est sunt. This is second singular. Are you sane enough? So it's a little bit like asking, are you crazy? Si quando satis pecuniae habebo, tum me concilio et philosophiae dabo. Dabo. There's our verb. Future. First singular. I will give. I will dedicate. Let's see if we can find a direct object. May. You can see there's tum, separates that. Direct object there. I will dedicate myself to these two things. Datives. Wonderful. I will dedicate myself to